A Florida man went to his doctor because of migraine headaches and was found to have worm eggs in his brain because he liked to eat floppy bacon. Is this real? Actually, it is real, and it was published last week in the American Journal of Case Reports. It's a disease called neurocystosarcosis, so let's talk about it. The parasitic infection that can get to the brain by eating raw pork. It was a 52-year-old man who came to his doctor complaining of migraine headaches, and a CT scan of his brain was done that showed this, which was followed up by an MRI of his brain that showed cysts inside of his brain. Those imaging findings are consistent with neurocystosarcosis, and upon asking him, the guy had a habit of eating lightly cooked, non-crispy bacon for most of his life. So to briefly explain how this happens, the tapeworm lives in the pig, and if the human consumes raw pork, they can then consume the tapeworm that gets in their intestine. After they go to the bathroom, if they don't wash their hands properly, the eggs can then be contaminated on food that they prepare for someone else. Then when this person eats the eggs, they can then form into larvae and get in the brain. In most documented cases of neurocystosarcosis in the United States, these patients come from where the disease is more prominent, like Latin America. The time from ingesting the eggs to symptom onset can be anywhere from 1 to 30 years. The most common symptoms of neurocystosarcosis are headaches as well as seizures. Sometimes the larvae can even obstruct the flow of fluid in the brain and cause something called hydrocephalus, or backup of fluid on the brain, and that may require cerebrospinal shunting. In disseminated cases, you can even see all these larvae that have involuted over time in this person's brain. Most cases do not need surgery and are treated with antiparasitic medications. What you can really learn from this video is that crispy bacon is superior, and please remember to wash your hands.